Hello guys, today I'm going to be talking about the hooked token. Hooked token was launched few days back on the Binance launch pad. Now this tweet you're seeing over here was tweeted by CZ Binance himself, that's the CEO of Binance. And for you to be able to get this hook token, you will need to have some BNB in your wallet so that you'll be able to swap it and receive your hook token. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about one application that you can use to earn the hook token for free, completely free. And guess what? Apart from earning, you are still going to be learning more things about cryptocurrencies. If you're a beginner, this app is very good for you. So if you want to know how this works and which app to download, stick to this video till the end. Alright guys, so for you to be able to use this platform, you will need to have an account, and to have an account you will need to go down below of this video, click on the link there. It's going to take you to Play Store where you can download this application and you will be able to register. And once you register, you can be able to start earning on this application, and you are going to be earning the hook token, and which can also be converted to BNB later on and withdraw to your Binance account. So if you don't also have a Binance account, you can register with the link in the description of this video. All right, now quickly, now on this platform there are four different ways you can earn from this platform. Now the first one I will show you is going to be on the training camp. Now why am I showing you training camp, the first one? Because the training camp is somewhere you can equally learn at the same time you are earning. You're going to be learning many stuffs about cryptocurrencies on the training camp. So all you need to do is just press the play button and let me click on it. So you're going to see a little what it looks like. You're going to see what it looks like. Okay, so here we are done. What you need to do is go for the first one, which is over here. You click on go, which is over here. You click on go and you are going to start answering some questions. I think about 10 questions, and once you get your questions right, you're going to be credited with some tokens. So that's how you keep earning and you keep learning with this particular section of the application. So let me go back and I will show you another one. There's another one over here, which is where you can see it is written hot, which is over here. It is written hot. This one it gives you a very huge sum of token. That is why it is hot. So I tried it the other time. You'll be given, let me tell you what's going to be happening here. You'll be given 10 different questions and you mustn't lose one. You mustn't miss one. Everything must be correct. Then you'll be given 1 billion of this token, or the second game is 500 million of this token. But I will have shown you that, but I tried it the other time and I got everything right, just only one question. Then I wasn't able to claim this. I'm going to try it again later. So once you did, once you try it and you didn't win, there's no problem. You can come back and try it again later. So the next one I would like to show you is you can also earn by mining. So let's just click over here, and once you come over here, all you need to do is to tap on this button over here. So just tap on it and this little man is going to start mining for you automatically. So guys, there are other ways. I'm going to show you more way of how to increase your mining speed later. So now my mining is active right now, so I am mining and I'm earning already. Now the other way you can also earn is just by referring. You know guys, I always tell you guys, use your referral link. Just come over here, click on referral, then you'll be able to earn. Okay, I already get some earnings. All right, cool. So all you need to do is to share your link from your referral program. Okay, let me show you what you do from here. All you need to do is click on grow my team. All right, then you copy here, then you share with your friends, your family, put it on Facebook, on your social media. Guys, I always tell you guys, make use of your social media and in referring. That's how you can be able to make more money with all this application. So guys, by referring, by answering questions, and also by mining, you can earn on this platform. Now the last one is by staking. So after your hustle, after having enough coins on your or enough token on your balance, you can equally stake to earn more. And how do you stake? How do you stake to earn? All you need to do is to come over here to your wallet, click on wallet, then you can see over here, you can see the staking vault over here. All you need to do is to click on go. I made some staking, or anyway, you can see I have some tokens that I staked earlier on, and they are still there. Here it is. Let me show that to you. Here it is, and I should be getting this percentage daily, 9.75%. you see, so I should be getting that every time. And once you want to stake, you just click put the amount you want to stake over here. You write out the amount you want to stake over here, you just put it in this box. Then after, if it is everything you want to stake, you can just use the max button. Then all you need to do after that, you just click on stake now. Once you click on stake now, you are going to see your staking balance over here, just as you can see mine here. You can see it here. Then once you stake and you want to unstake, it is very easy. You can see the button right here which says unstake all. Then this is where you claim your interest from the staking vault. So guys, that is the 4 ways you can earn with this platform. Now, for you to be able to withdraw and convert and transfer your tokens to your Binance wallet, or to convert it to BUSD to BNB, you will need to have about the total. Let me click here so that you can see. Alright, so you need the minimum of about 800,000 of these coins before you can be able to exchange it and withdraw to your Binance account. So guys, that is how you can earn with this platform. So if you find this video interesting, helpful, and you really like what I've showed you, just give this video a thumbs up, and it's going to encourage me to keep doing more stuffs like this for you guys. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, also go ahead, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload brand new updates like this. So guys, I see you again in the next video. Bye.